Ryan Nordahl here again with Epic Whitetail Habitat LLC. We're just down in here today on our south side, kind of our refuge, major hinge cut bedding areas. I want to take you down through a travel corridor here that I incorporated over the summer of 2018 and show you how it works. Discuss some improvements for 2019 that we'll be starting here in January. And so come along. We're going to head down this travel corridor. We're going to improve it a little bit more. As you can see, we've got a rifle stand right there. We want to come in here. Some of these hinge cut have settled a little bit, blocking off some exit entrance for the deer. So we want to put the chainsaws to work and increase the flow of traffic. But as we go down this travel corridor, it also acted as a screen from the field, and it worked pretty good for sneaking in back here. Got a couple ladder stands down in here, tree stand, hang-on stand. But I'm really impressed at how they use this travel corridor this year. Got a major scrape right here. You know, it acted as a good travel corridor. You can catch the prevailing wind traveling through here looking for does. The buck's good. You can see here they're already browsing on the buds and everything. So this tree is still alive. And the deer are browsing on the fresh buds that are here. So it's working very well, very well. One little thing for sure. I'll open this up just a touch. Get rid of some of it just a little bit. Like this cherry log that's in here, I can clear that out of here. Make it a little bit easier for deer. I mean, they're crawling under it, but just make it a little easier. It isn't gonna hurt nothing to get rid of it. You can see how well everything's working here. You know, we've already nipped this new growth off that's right here. We're here into a little patch. This was a little microplot that kind of failed a little bit. Just planted too late. And here's our vine scrape. Sagged a little bit in the course of the fall, but that's from the stretching of the paracord during any wind, things like that. Worked out real well though. Got a lot of activity. I think just about every buck that was on the property this fall hit this vine scrape before heading out into the neighbor's bean field here. And the reason I like this so well is because our prevailing wind is, you know, north or west, and it blows our scent out into the neighbor's field. This is a good afternoon hunt in here. Mornings can be kind of tough, and I just kind of advise myself and my partner when we hunt this not to come in here in the mornings. If we're going to hunt in the mornings, we come in after daylight, kind of still hunt into this, especially as we get down in here to our southeast corner of the property. But we've got a lot of improvement to do. Knock down more of these silver maples and basswoods, cherries. Just increase the browse over the winter and allow for that first light in the spring to get in here and really warm things up. We're gonna pop in a bunch of white pine and Norway spruce this spring. So hopefully in the future add to that thermal cover effect. So that's kind of what I wanted to discuss here today. Thanks for tuning in.